guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 54. Let's start reading. What is a beauty cream? What's going on here exactly? Siyempre, concern yung father. Coming of ceremony ng anak nito. Coming of age ceremony pala. Since I was 8 years old, my mother has given me a kind of beauty cream, instructing me to apply it every day. Otherwise, my face would rot. Ayun, start na ng paninira. My lord, Bansha has had a facial condition since she was a child, so I had the court physician prepare the beauty cream. Oh, talaga lang ha? Sige, magpalusot ka pa girl. As long as she applies the beauty cream, she will be fine. Weh, talaga lang? Come, let mother take a look. Talaga ha, pa-mother-mother ka pa ha? Mother take a look pa talaga nasabi mo ha? Ooh, she's pulling it, And voila, puff. Tinanggal na niya. Lumabas na yung totoong beauty ni Bansha. Finally, the itching is gone. Here she is. The most beautiful on the palace. The entire place. The entire empire. Ganun. Oh no. Oh, gulat ka ngayon no. Daughter, why did you change so much? How did this little village girl turn into a fairy? O, diba? Fairy na yung tawag. Sobrang ganda niya. Fairy na. It seems that this is the real her. See? That's the real her. This, is it the special program that little sister prepared? Confused. Special program. I heard my mother say how beautiful Bansha was before, but seeing her today still surprises me. Ngayon na nalaman na niya. Nakagulat pa rin yung ganda ni Bansha, no? Pati nga siya nagulat eh. So girl, humanda ka. Hindi palang manda. Sorry ka, pero hindi na ikaw yung pinakamaganda. What is this woman up to? Oh, ano ka ngayon? Get up. Siyempre, pupursue na niya, no? Prince 1. The prince is completely absorbed in watching her. No, don't. So, itong prince na to, sa labas lang talaga tumitingin. Bansha, you what? Sige, father, tell it. Father, what's wrong with you? My face doesn't itch anymore. What's going on? Ah, diba? As if wala siyang alam. Ano ba kasi nangyayari? You resemble your mother by 60%. And you're even more beautiful. Ay, 60% lang. Pero at least, di ba? Kamukha niya yung mama niya. Konti na lang hawig na sila, ganun. Pero mas maganda siya kaysa sa mama niya. Ngayon, ang problema niyan, siguradong pag-aawayan siya. Touched. Yushuang, indeed, this is what our daughter should look like. Ngayon niya lang na-realize, tama, dapat ganito kaganda yung anak namin. Ganito talaga dapat kasi sobrang ganda ng nanay niya eh. Diba pinag-awayan pa tong mama ni Bansha? Kaya ngayon yung cause ng pagkamatay niya. Dahil sa pinag-awayan siya ng ibang mga ibang mga kings and all. Jinshi actually began to harm Bansha when she was young. Tama ka, Lola. She is truly hateful. Ngayon lumabas na. Madam, what is going on? See? Nga. Kung na-question ka ngayon ng asawa mo, ha? Since 8 years old pa binibigay yung cream na yon. Mother, you said that I had a facial condition and must apply this beauty cream every day. But I wasn't applying it now and my face didn't itch anymore. Why is that? O, diba? Para saan ba kasi yung cream na yun, mother? Bakit ganun? Bakit ganun yung nararamdaman ko? Ngayon, nag-iba daw yung mukha ko. O, diba? Questionable ka ngayon, ate. Of course, she would be panic. How are you going to answer those criticism? Well, for sure, sasalbayan siya ng mama at papa niya. Sabi ni, look how stunning Bansha is. If we didn't disguise her and protect her properly, o diba, gumawa ng palusot. Protecting pa yung nasabi ha. She would be in great danger when bad guys coveted her beauty. Cunning talaga tong pamilyang to, no? Why don't you understand that my daughter was doing this for Bansha's sake? Aba, mga ano talaga to sila, no? Magaling gumawa ng palusot. Yes, mother is right. I did it to protect Bansha. Charot! Bansha's mother died because bad guys coveted her beauty. Ba, magaling magpalusot. What a move to turn black into white. Of course, magkaduguyan sila eh. Sa kanya, for sure, doon siya nagbana sa mama at papa niya. Magaling magpalusot. However, I won't let you get away with this. Father, grandmother is right. Besides, there are still guests here. We'll talk about family matters later. So, anong gagawin ngayon? Hold. Moreover, I'm now an adult and my life won't be filled with disasters. O, diba disasters pa? What does filled with disaster mean? Ngayon, diretsohin. Sagutin mo yan. Mother knows everything. Didn't she tell you? I feel sorry for my daughter for all the hardships she's been through. Palusot na naman. Did it on purpose. That's why we went to the temple to pray for her. Father, it's my fault. O, diba? Kasalanan ko kasi. Kala mo, ha? Magaling magdrama to. Every time mother went to the countryside to visit, I would have an accident making mother worry. Ayan na, storytelling na ng mga backstory niya. Yung mga pinaggagawa sa kanya nung babaeng to. 2 years ago, I suffered from poisoning and had a seizure, almost biting off my tongue. Ayan na, inisa-isa na. Last year, I had measles and was bedridden for half a year. This year, I fell into the water and caught a cold with a high fever that wouldn't go away. Grabe yung disaster niya, ha? Disgusting. It sounds fishy. See? Siyempre yung makakarinig, malalaman nila niyan. In other words, as long as Jinshi visited her once, Miss Bansha would have an accident. Shake head. Of course, everyone would understand that. Di naman bobo lahat ng tao, ah. No one would believe that it has nothing to do with Jinshi. Poor Bansha. Enough! O, diba? Ferocious. Ngayon, lumabas na yung totoo mong ugali. Galit-galit yarn. What nonsense are you talking with so many guests here? Siyempre, paano mo lulusutan yung sinasabi niya? Every year nangyayari yan, kada dadalaw ka lang. She's on the hook. O, diba? Pinoprovoke lang niya para ano. Pero totoo naman talaga yung nangyari yun sa kanya, diba? So that's the end of this chapter. So here's the preview of the next coming chapter. Let's see, what would that be? Next episode. Your masters are speaking. Off dare you, a slave, to interrupt? Wife. So siguro kinonfirm ng mga katulong. Guards, give her 100 slaps. 100 slaps? That would render her mouth useless. Why is mother acting so differently today? Ito, tanga-tanga mo talagang kapatid ka. Anyway, that's the end, and the title for the next chapter would be Is This Her True Face? Stay tuned, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye.